Choosing the right product is the difference between making it or breaking it on Clickbank. Promoting a low quality product will result in many refunds, which means you as an affiliate will lose your commissions and sales. So, how do you know what product is good on Clickbank before you start promoting it? For a start, a good product on Clickbank will fall under one of the following top niches. You have the e-business and e-marketing niche, you have the health and fitness niche, and you have the self-help niche. These are all niches that will easily make you money on Clickbank. Hi there and welcome. If this is your first time to this channel, I am Winston from tubemechanicsnode.com, and on this channel I share easy to follow video tips that will help you grow your online presence as a solopreneur warrior. So you might want to consider subscribing. Now, to get started, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go with the self-help niche, and under the self-help niche, I will be going with the marriage and relationship sub-niche or subcategory. Now, I know this is a hot niche because I am a married man, I belong under this category, and I can relate to it. Now, after choosing your subcategory, it's time to start taking a good look at individual products under the subcategory. Now, here is what you should be looking for. First, you want to look at the initial sales price and the average sales price of each product. Why is that important? Well, if the initial sales price is the same with the average price, that will tell you that the product doesn't have any up sales or down sales in the sales funnel. Now, if the average sales price is higher than the initial sales price, that will tell you that you can make more money in the back end of the product, which is good for you as an affiliate. Here is an example of a product with different initial and average sales prices. If you choose to promote this product, for example, you will not only be making $27 as your initial sales, but you can end up making up to $70 average sales because of the back end sales credited to your account for bringing in new buyers. So when next doing your research for a product to promote on Clickbank, you want to keep that in mind. The next thing to always keep in mind when doing your research on Clickbank is also the product gravity. Now, gravity here on Clickbank simply indicates how many people promoting a particular product happen to make a sale within that month. The higher the gravity, the better, because it shows that many people want the product and the product itself is converting very well. Some people do think that higher gravity is bad because it shows how many people are already promoting the product, making the competition fierce, especially for beginners. Well, that makes a little bit of sense if you think about it, but if you are following an email marketing strategy, for example, no one will be competing with your list, so that alone makes that point almost irrelevant. Personally, when I look at how high the gravity of this product is, for example, that gives me the confidence right away that this product converts and there are still many people currently looking for it. Personally, I go with product with gravity over 20. In my opinion, that's a good start for beginners. As you keep doing researches on Clickbank, you start noticing that the gravity on some of these sub niches are quite low. If you happen to be in a sub niche with a very low gravity score, I will recommend that you should just choose the product with the highest gravity score on that page. Now, after you've had all that sorted out, you want to now look at the product sales page itself. When looking for a good sales page, there are two things that I always look for. I look for a sales page with a video or an opt-in funnel. Sales pages without a video or an opt-in form are not usually the best selling products on Clickbank, but if the sales page is appealing to you, that means it might be appealing to your targeted audience, so you might want to consider that also. Another thing you want to pay attention to is if the product has an affiliate section. Products that have an affiliate section shows that the product owner actually cares about the product so much so that they have to create an extra page just to help others sell their products. The product affiliate page is a resource that many people tend to ignore, but which can really help you in the process of setting up your marketing campaign. Some product owners provide you with an extra product. Some will even provide you with email swipes that you can use to build your email list while promoting their product. Some will offer you banners that you can use for paid advertisement, and the list goes on. So you want to always make sure to check the affiliate page. So there you have it. Those are the things that you have to keep in mind when looking for the best selling products on Clickbank. And with that, I'll call this a wrap. I hope this was another helpful video. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video.